Alright, this is much lower. 11,000 back to this because, well, for some reason, the jump scare sound didn't happen. And, yeah. Wait, is my sound on? Okay, my sound's on. I forgot about the jump scare being that loud. I hope I didn't break my headset. Good news. Good news, I didn't break my headset. It slammed against the wall. God dang it, thank you for startling me. You almost broke my goddamn headset. Frick you. I'm gonna try this again without cheating. Okay, so we're back. And I'll see like 1 second, and I'm gonna try to do this. This is stressful. Not just is it god dang scary, but it's also stressful. You're like, I wanna beat this game so that like a scare jump. Scare doesn't happen. God dang it. Dang it, dang it, dang it. Ding 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 ding. Getting closer. Crack. What in the single dang dong frick? What the heck did I just say? What in the single god dang dong frick? Well, I wasn't even on this the god dang thing. God dang it. Okay, we're back to the game. The scary maze game. Now I want to see what happens if I do this. Just here. That it all jump scares you when you goddamn get in the orange. Frick you. Frickin' the frickle frick 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 for you. Frickin'. Frick you in the face. Frick you a million times, god dang it. Let the amazing player named Dylan do the game. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Okay. I'm gonna try to not get it completely. I'm just gonna keep doing it from here. You know what? Frick you. I think I had enough jump scares for now, but I still am gonna get amnesia soon. Now, I'm not promising that I will play it, so I don't get your hopes up. I might if I can find out a way I can. So leave a like, subscribe in the comments. Tell me if you liked me getting jump scared and you want me to play some more scary games. I will. So leave a like, subscribe in the comments. Tell me if you'd like me to do some more scary stuff, and I will see you guys in the next one. I hope you enjoyed all my editing for this. Goodbye. Oh, I really swear I